Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rupal Mohan. Today I'm going to show you some home remedies for acne. So many people have this problem of acne. So today I'm going to tell you the solution. So you can see I have nothing on my face right now. I have no makeup right now. So many people have oily T-zone. So they have a lot of acne on their forehead or nose or chin, or so many people have acne on their cheeks. So according to your skin, you have to choose your face wash. What kind of face wash you are using, what brand you are using, or what suits your skin. What type of face wash you should use if you have acne. You should always try to look for tea tree face wash. What tea tree do is, tea tree prevents and reduces the scar of the acne, the spots you see after your acne has gone. Tea tree calms the redness and swelling of the acne. You should always look for salicylic acid. If a face wash has salicylic acid in it, that it's really good for your skin. It's really good for your acne. Salicylic acid is an anti-inflammatory acid and it helps pimples or major acne go away faster. So if a face wash have salicylic acid in it, then you can go for it. So I'm taking one ice cube and cloth. You can also take a towel if you want. It's up to you. Ice helps in reducing the size of the acne or your pimple, and also it reduces the pain. If you have pain on your acne, it also reduces that. The first ingredient is this Fuller's Earth, which is also called Multani Mitti. I'm using a raw piece of Fuller's Earth. You can also use the packed one. So I'm using a full spoon of Fuller's Earth, Multani Mitti. You can see. Now the next ingredient we're going to put in this pack is honey. A little bit of honey, not much. Our next ingredient is turmeric, haldi. I'm not taking much. I'm not taking a lot of amount. Just 2 pinch of turmeric. So I'm taking a full spoon of rose water. Now I'm going to mix this pack. You can also use this pack not only on your acne but on your whole face if you want. So our pack is ready, as you can see. So I'm going to put this on my acne or on my acne scars. I'm going to talk about the ingredients we have used. So first thing is Multani Mitti. What Multani Mitti do is, it removes the excess oil of your acne and your pimples, and it helps to clean your pores from the inside. What honey do is, honey balance the bacteria on your skin and speed up your skin cells healing process. So it helps to heal your acne. The third product we used was turmeric. Turmeric helps to clean your skin and reduce the scar of acne. The first product we have used was rose water. What rose water do is, it soothes the discomfort of the acne and it reduces the redness, and it relaxes your skin. So yeah, so these were the 4 products we have used for our pack. So it's been 5 to 7 minutes. Now I'm going to remove my pack with a cotton pad, a wet cotton pad. You can also wash your face. So I'm going to remove my pack. can see the difference now. And my skin feels soft now. You can actually see the difference if you use it personally. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my toner first after washing my face. So this is Khadi Naturals Mint and Cucumber face freshener. The next thing I'm going to use is this under eye gel. This is from Aroma Magic. This is for the dark circles. So I'm going to use this. Just a little amount of this. Thing I'm going to use is this Cetaphil Ultra Hydrating Lotion. I have a sensitive skin, so this moisturizer suits me well. I'm also taking a small amount of this. Last product I'm going to use is this Vaseline. So it's all for today's video. I hope you all like my video. So please go like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.